a billionaire's playground with a blueprint for the future. Elon Musk isn't just launching rockets, he's building an entire city. Deep in Texas, with SpaceX, Tesla, and the Boring Company all in the mix, this isn't just real estate, it's control. Is this the utopian future of innovation, or just another way for Musk to reshape the world in his image? Let's dive into the truth behind Elon Musk's secretive Texas city. But before, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on stories like this. The billionaire's grand vision. Why would Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and the Boring Company, want to create his own city? Is it a personal experiment, or is there a grander purpose? Musk's vision isn't just about building another urban center. It's about crafting a community, a billionaire's utopia, where innovation, efficiency, and collaboration thrive. The planned city, tentatively named Snailbrook, is set to become a home for employees of Musk's various ventures. But unlike historical company towns, which were often exploitative, Musk's vision aims to foster creativity and improve the quality of life for workers. Could this modern take on a company town redefine urban living? Why Texas? The strategic choice. Texas might seem like an unusual choice for building a utopian city, but Musk's decision is far from arbitrary. What makes Texas the perfect backdrop for this ambitious project? Nestled in Bastrop County, just a short drive from Austin, Snailbrook's location is nothing short of strategic. It's close to some of Musk's most critical operations. The Tesla Gigafactory, Texas, a massive 10 million square foot facility producing Cybertrucks and other vehicles, lies just 13 miles to the west. The area is also home to SpaceX facilities and the Boring Company's projects. By consolidating operations and housing in one location, Musk aims to streamline logistics, cut commute times, and create a hub of innovation. But could this centralized approach have unexpected consequences for the region? Welcome to Snailbrook, a modern utopia. What's in a name? For Musk, quite a lot. Snailbrook, a whimsical nod to the Boring Company's goal of building drills faster than a snail's pace, is more than just a clever moniker. It's a statement of intent. The community will feature modular homes, recreational facilities like a pool and gym, and even a Montessori school for employees' children. Musk's team has reportedly set rents at $800 per month, far below local market rates. But can affordable housing alone create the sense of community Musk envisions? The incorporation process, turning vision into reality. Building a city isn't as simple as laying bricks and pouring concrete. It's a legal and regulatory maze. So how does Musk plan to navigate these hurdles? In early 2025, Musk's team filed a petition to incorporate Snailbrook as an official city. If approved, this move would grant the community autonomy over local regulations, infrastructure, and governance. But incorporating a town isn't just about paperwork. It involves gaining the support of local residents and addressing potential environmental concerns. Could the regulatory process stall Musk's plans, or will his influence and resources smooth the way? A bold experiment in community building. At its core, Snailbrook represents a bold experiment in modern living. But what sets it apart from traditional company towns of the past? Historically, company towns often exerted near-total control over workers' lives, from housing to retail options. Musk's vision aims to break this mold by focusing on employee well-being and fostering innovation. By integrating work and living spaces, Snailbrook could redefine the work-life balance for its residents. But is this integration a double-edged sword? The benefits. Affordable housing. Could this ease financial burdens for workers? Housing in Snailbrook is reportedly priced at around $800 per month, significantly below market rates in the surrounding Austin area. This approach could alleviate financial stress for employees, allowing them to focus on their work and enjoy a higher quality of life. For many, affordable housing is a game changer, especially in regions with skyrocketing real estate prices. With rent being such a significant portion of most people's expenses, this model could set a precedent for other companies to follow. Community spirit. Does living together foster collaboration? Imagine walking out your front door and bumping into a coworker who's also your neighbor. The close-knit nature of Snailbrook is designed to foster camaraderie and collaboration among Tesla, SpaceX, and the Boring Company employees. Shared recreational facilities, such as pools and gyms, along with a Montessori school for employees' children, could strengthen the sense of belonging and mutual support. This setup could nurture innovation, as ideas often flourish in environments where minds frequently interact. Reduced commutes. How does cutting commute time improve life? In a typical urban setting, long commutes can drain employees' time, energy, and morale. Musk's vision for Snailbrook eliminates this issue by integrating workspaces and living areas. Employees living near their workplaces can save hours every week, reclaiming time for family, hobbies, or relaxation. Shorter commutes also reduce transportation costs and the carbon footprint associated with daily travel. The challenges: blurring boundaries. Can employees truly switch off? While living close to work might seem convenient, it comes with a significant downside: the erosion of work-life boundaries. In Snailbrook, the line between professional and personal life could blur, leaving employees feeling as though they are perpetually on call. Without a clear separation, burnout may become a pressing concern, as downtime is crucial for mental health and productivity. Economic dependence. Is placing all your eggs in one basket risky? Relying on your employer for both income and housing creates a unique form of economic dependence. If Musk's companies face financial challenges or decide to relocate operations, employees might find themselves not only out of a job but also without a home. This dual dependency can make workers feel vulnerable, particularly in industries as volatile as tech and space exploration. Privacy concerns. Who really controls your life? Living in a community controlled by your employer raises valid questions about autonomy. Will employees have the freedom to express dissent or live without the fear of employer surveillance? The concept of a company town, even one as modern as Snailbrook, inevitably brings up historical concerns about workers feeling overly monitored or controlled. Striking a balance between fostering community and respecting individual freedom will be critical to the success of Musk's endeavor. Could Musk's modern utopia strike the right balance? Elon Musk's vision for Snailbrook has sparked intrigue and debate. On one hand, it has the potential to become a model for sustainable, innovative living. On the other, it risks falling into the same pitfalls as company towns of the past, where corporate control overshadowed personal freedoms. The ultimate question remains: can Musk reimagine the concept of a company town and create a harmonious community? Or will history repeat itself? Only time will tell. Environmental impact and community concerns. As with any large-scale development, Snailbrook isn't without its critics. What are the potential environmental and social challenges Musk faces? Local residents and environmental groups have raised concerns about the impact of rapid construction and industrial activity. SpaceX operations, for instance, have previously come under scrutiny for their environmental footprint. Addressing these issues transparently will be crucial for gaining community support. Could Musk's ambitious plans spark a backlash, or will they win over skeptics with tangible benefits? A glimpse into the future. What does the future hold for Snailbrook? Could it serve as a blueprint for other tech giants looking to build their own communities? Musk's vision extends beyond just housing. Plans for educational facilities, recreational areas, and retail establishments aim to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. If successful, Snailbrook could become a model for integrating work and living spaces in the 21st century. But could this success inspire competitors to follow suit? A test case for modern urban planning. Snailbrook's development comes at a time when urban planning faces unprecedented challenges. From housing crises to environmental concerns, the need for innovative solutions has never been greater. Could Musk's experiment offer answers to these pressing issues? By prioritizing sustainability, affordability, and community, Snailbrook has the potential to set new standards for urban development. But the stakes are high. Will Musk's vision live up to its promise? So, what do you think? Could Musk's bold vision for Snailbrook redefine how we live and work? Or does it raise more questions than answers? Which part of this story surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more eye-opening stories and insights.